Hi, I'm Kevin. So today I am making this video. This is the box of Spigen Neo Hybrid Herringbone case. So this is for iPhone 8 or iPhone 7. This is the caption, something you want. So this is a picture of the Spigen case, Neo Herringbone case. Okay, this is the picture of two-layer protection. This is made from the soft material and this is made from hard material. Okay, you see this. This is a dual layer structure for extra protection. Images may slightly differ from actual product. So this picture is not as same as the real product. Okay, see, this is the serial number of this case and this is the color of the case. Okay, I buff it with gunmetal color. Okay, this so pretty good looking. Okay, this is the side. See this Spigen and the caption. So behind of these boxes we see this picture. In left side we see the three boxes picture. The first is shield, second is perfect grip, and third is military grade. The right side we see this is a method of installation and removal. Okay, later we see it. Under this picture we see the features with many languages. You can read it. Okay, this is US and Canada customer only. You can buy this case on online at Amazon.com and eBay.com and Spigen.com. Okay, that's three online shop that trusted. Okay, next you see this barcode and I know you are really want to see the real case of this Spigen Neo Herringbone case. First step, we open this. Try it. See this, and we open this. So you know this is gunmetal color. Wow, with the blurry plastic, high quality plastic. Wow, you see this? Wow, gunmetal color with dual layer protection. This is so beautiful. See this? This is a US pattern of Spigen. Okay, I have the unit of iPhone 8. You see, this is iPhone 8. So this is gold color. Okay, we put in on this case. First step, we see the methods of installation. First, with the left outside. First, left outside. Okay, so this is iPhone gold color with Spigen Neo Hybrid Herringbone gunmetal color. Pretty good. See this? Perfect grip. I can control this with one hand. So really nice. Okay, and we try to remove this case from the phone. Okay, the first step is right outside. So we open this. And this open 1, 4. Okay, this open. This is my beautiful iPhone 8. So this is my girlfriend, but actually no. Okay, this with dual layer protection. See this. So until this my video unboxing of Spigen Neo Hybrid Herringbone case for iPhone 7 or iPhone 8. Okay, you can buy this case and the price of this case is $30. So you can buy online Amazon.com and eBay.com or Spigen.com, and I put the link in the description. Okay, until this my video of unboxing Spigen Neo Hybrid Herringbone case, and I hope you like this video. So bye, see you next time.